Guidelines for fasting from food. Don't fast when you are sick, not feeling well, traveling, pregnant, or nursing. People with diabetes, liver disease, kidney disease, hypoglycemia, diseases should not fast. Don't fast if you are in a hurry and are fasting for immediate results regarding some decision. Fasting is not magic. Be with Lord, stay hydrated. Always drink plenty of water and fluids because it's important. If you are new to fasting, begin by fasting for one meal. Spend the time with Almighty God that you would normally be eating. Work up to longer fasts. Don't attempt prolonged fasts without guidance. Check with your doctor before attempting long periods of fasting. If you decide to fast regularly, and so give your body time to adjust to new rhythms of eating, you may feel more tired on days you fast. Adjust responsibilities appropriately. Begin a fast after supper. Eat small portions of food. The longer the fast, the more you need to break the fast gently. Fasting reminds us that we care about soul things.